Hello, grade 2. How are you? I hope you're happy and safe. Our lesson today is quick changes to Earth's landscape. The objective of our lesson today is to construct an explanation based on evidence about events that change Earth's landscape quickly. Now, look at this photo. What did you observe, grade 2? What did happen to the street? Let's watch a video now. What's happening? Oh my God. Now, think about the grade 2. What did you observe about the land? What do you wonder about what you saw in the photo and in the video? And what questions do you have about what happened to the land? And what interests you about how the land changed? Write your answer or your thoughts in this box, page number 31. And now we have an inquiry activity. Amazing! Earthquake, page number 32. Sometimes Earth shakes. This causes many changes to Earth's landscape, just as you see in the last video. Today, we will use a model of an earthquake and a landscape. Observe changes to Earth's surface. Now, it's time to watch an interesting video.
In this lesson, you'll use evidence to explain events that quickly change Earth's landscape. Let's look back at the video you saw earlier in the lesson. If you were recording this event, how would you describe what you see? In this activity, you'll make a model to simulate a gentle earthquake and a strong earthquake and observe any changes that occur to your model. To carry out this investigation, you'll use safety goggles, an aluminum pan, sand, a cup with water, cubes, and twigs or craft sticks. To complete this activity, you'll create a landscape model. You will then shake the model with different amounts of force and observe how the model is affected. Before you begin, make a prediction. What will happen to a landscape when it suddenly shakes? Safety first. Put your safety goggles on to keep sand out of your eyes. You'll wear safety goggles for the entire activity. Place the aluminum pan in front of you. Fill the pan halfway with damp sand. Use your spoon to shape a small mountain from the sand. If your mountain crumbles shortly after you make it, then you'll need to mix a little bit of water into the sand. Flatten your mountain once your sand is able to hold a shape. Try to keep the sand in the pan and clean up any sand that lands outside of the pan. Place twigs in the sand to model trees. We substituted craft sticks for the twigs. Use the cubes to make several buildings in your model. Draw your landscape and record your data by labeling Earth's surface, trees, and the buildings. When you finish, now let's see what happens to your landscape if a small earthquake occurs. Grab your pan on opposite sides. Gently shake your pan back and forth once or twice. Record your observations. When you finish recording your observations, reset your landscape by straightening your buildings and trees. Now, hold the pan the same way you did before. Shake the pan a bit harder. This represents a stronger earthquake. What did you see this time? Was it different from what you saw with a gentle shake? Record your observations. Look at your model landscape. How has it changed? Draw a picture of your landscape. Include all the changes you observe. Now that you've finished using your landscape model to gather information, take some time to communicate your findings. Use your data to complete the Communicate Information section.
What an interesting activity! That was amazing. I'm so excited to do this activity with you, grade 2. Here you can check your answers, grade 2, page number 32 and page number 33. And finally, page number 34. These are many sample answers that may help you. That's enough for today, grade 2. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.